This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
With the high temperatures across the Cape Fear region, it's important to stay safe and comfortable. Joining us today is Steele with O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business specializing in residential and commercial heating and air, plumbing, and electrical services. It's good to see you, Steele.
Thanks for having me, Megan.
Let's talk about this heat. What should homeowners be thinking about?
First and foremost, stay hydrated. Secondly, we want to make sure we keep our homes safe and comfortable. And with this high heat, your systems will be running an awful lot, so efficiency is key. Simple things such as changing your filters regularly, making sure your vents are clear and free of obstructions, and using a programmable thermostat to reduce your system's usage while you're away, all can help that efficiency.
All helpful information. Now, I'm sure you hear this all the time. My thermostat's set to 70 degrees, but my house still feels hot. Why?
That's a great question and a very common one. During the extreme heat, especially in the mid to high 90s, your home isn't going to be able to get below that temperature you're setting it for. Our systems in our area are actually designed to maintain 75 degrees on a 93-degree day. So when we're setting those temperatures and 95 or above, your home staying in that mid 70s is really doing the best it can. As we do recommend, though, keeping that system maintained annually so it is running at the best efficiency that it can, as your system will be running an awful lot.
Makes sense. Now, humidity plays a role too.
Yeah, it definitely does. High humidity can make your home feel warmer than it actually is and forces your system to work harder. We have a team of experts who can perform energy audits to help homeowners and business owners find ways to improve their home's efficiency long term.
So stay safe and cool this summer with O'Brien Service Company.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.